Hey there everyone! So first, thank you so much for taking just a couple moments of your time to watch this. It is greatly appreciated. This video is just over 3 minutes long, so this will not take much time and it will guarantee that you will see plenty of our content and you won't miss out on giveaways, freebies, videos, and all of that good stuff. Facebook is not as friendly as it used to be to business pages and small businesses, meaning that it likes to filter a lot of our things out, or it won't show the content for 2 or 3 days until after it's been posted, which is not good for followers who are interested in seeing our content regularly, watching our videos, collecting our freebies, and more importantly, joining in all those amazing giveaways. We do a lot of Cricut Machine, Cricut Maker, Cricut Joy, Cricut Explorer giveaways on our page, and it loves to filter those out. So I'm going to show you a couple clicks that you can do real quick to make sure you never miss that opportunity again. When you visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/Abbi Kirsten Collections, you will see the ability to like our page, which you might have already done. If you haven't, go ahead and give us a like. It is much appreciated. It might suggest some other relevant pages for you there. These 3 little dots right here are super key in making sure that you see our content. You want to click on those 3 dots, and the first thing that you're going to see is follow settings. It might say follow and you can click it and then it'll say follow settings. Go ahead and click on the follow settings, and first and foremost you want to change it from the default to favorites. So that means you'll see the posts higher in your newsfeed. Instead of scrolling for an hour on Facebook before you see us, you'll see us closer to the top, which means you're less likely to miss things from us. This is the first step in making sure you don't miss our content. The second step, which is super crucial, is down here in the notifications area. You'll see posts, video, live videos, and offers. Posts are the most important here. You want to click on that, and Facebook always sets it to default to highlights. What this means is Facebook is deciding what you see, and it's going to suggest the posts of ours that it feels you are going to actually engage with. It's not going to leave that decision up to you by showing you what you follow in your newsfeed. So it's super important to click on standard there to change that so that you do not see only what Facebook wants you to see or decides that you might want to see. Same thing with video. If you click on video, you'll want to change that to all notifications. We do lots of videos on our pages. We share videos all the time, free crafting videos and freebies all the time from our blogs. So you probably don't want to miss any of those if you're interested in free templates, designs, and tutorials to help you along your own crafting journey. And we don't do a lot of live videos in 2020, but if you're watching this post 2020, we are going to be moving into doing a lot of free crafting videos on there as well. So you may want to change the live video since you're here from highlights to all notifications. This is optional, but recommended if you're not wanting to miss that. At bare minimum, make sure you change to favorites under the newsfeed section and change those posts and videos to standard and all notifications. That way you don't miss our giveaways, our freebies, our video content, and all that other good stuff. I don't want you guys to miss that. And this is a great hack for any page that you're wanting to follow and see more of. So be sure to use this information if there's other pages you want to support better. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click update and it'll say your follow settings have been updated and you'll be all set and you'll see more of us in your newsfeed. Of course, you can change these settings at any time if you don't wish to see as much of us, but we really hope that you will because we absolutely love our community, we love our followers, and we love engaging with you guys. Thanks so much for watching.